everyone. Welcome back to RTS Scrapbooking, and today what are we going to do? Well, we have the whole RTS thing going on, so I think we're going to classify this as revamp the skills. And so I've been saying for some time, got to break out of that comfort zone. You have to learn how to do something new, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So stay tuned, okay? Hang on. Sunshine. I literally see sunshine and I could just jump for joy because in the Northeast, we're supposed to have spring. We've had a lot of something, but we haven't had a lot of sunshine. So I am excited, even more excited than a normal day. So what are we going to do today? Well, I keep stressing about getting out of your comfort zone, try new challenges, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Because today is my first ever video response, and it is going to be by something else I've never done. So today is a video response to Ramona at Cherished Treasures here on YouTube. And if you've been in scrapbooking or crafting for a little bit or a long bit, you know who Ramona is. And so she's just, well, I can't say enough about her. She just is absolutely wonderful. So before I start gushing about Ramona, I want to say that she has a birthday challenge going on right now on her YouTube channel, and she has all the information there, and I will have it in the links below to her channel, which she shares a lot of things that hit the shelves immediately. And right now that's not good for me because I'm on a spending freeze, but I love to see what other people buy, and I love to see what people do with the things they buy. So I love watching her videos because I don't get to stores very often, and so when I do, I know what to go look for. So thank you, Ramona, for that time and effort and energy you put into your videos. So the thing that Ramona is hosting right now is a birthday challenge, and you have till May 31st, so you have time to do it. And she's hosting a pocket letter birthday challenge. So of course the rules are that you create a pocket letter, and it is to be vintage style. Now, I've never done a pocket letter, but I've been scrapbooking a long time, and so pocket pages are nothing new, so I'm pretty sure I can handle that, okay? But a vintage style, I don't really do that, but for Ramona, I'm going to. So Ramona, here is a little sneak peek of some things that I have planned for your pocket letter. I didn't want to share too much because when you get it in the mail, I want it to be a surprise for you. And okay, Ramona, you are the most generous, lovely person. And for you to host a challenge in this way and to offer the many, many prizes that you are offering, it's just, well, I've been scrapbooking a long time, 22 years in fact, and you literally are the most generous crafter I've ever met, truly. And you just exuberate happiness and kindness, and I just wish there were more people in the world like you. So that is my gushing part. You know how I feel about you. Honestly, on days sometimes when I hear your voice, it just makes my day brighter. So I am excited to do a pocket letter for you. It just means a lot that I could do something for you to give back a little bit to say thank you for what you do for our crafting community. So again, the links will be below for Ramona's channel and her birthday challenge video explaining all of this in more detail. And you have to go see the pocket letter and book that Ramona created because it's bling and zing and so much more. It is absolutely gorgeous. And she said she hadn't been crafting in 3 years. It is just lovely. I have seen what other people do with their pocket letters, and Ramona has shared some of those too, of the entries she's already got in the mail, and blow me away. They are just absolutely so crafty, so lovely, and so thoughtful. And I'm just excited that I'm going to try my best and I'm going to do one. So this is something else I wanted to say about the crafting community. When Ramona had said about this being her birthday challenge, I'm thinking, well, I don't have anything to do a pocket letter because, they have to be this baseball card size, and I don't have anything like that. So I ordered a little pack of them. It didn't cost that much. And I thought, well, I'll use one for Ramona's challenge, and I'll give the other one to my husband for something he may need. And then I got to thinking, it sparked an idea for something that I could use in my own scrapbooking and my own albums, and that has me excited because I don't know if I would have came up with that idea if it would not have been for Ramona hosting this challenge. So I think that's what I wanted to say, and I hope this isn't too long. And shut the front door. My video is flipped again. Oh, can you tell I'm new to doing videos? But okay, I'm just going to say that's going to be a positive thing because I have to learn more editing skills, right? Okay, that's what we're going to go with. Oh my goodness. But anyways, Ramona, happy birthday to you, dear friend, because you deserve everything in the world plus more. And for anyone who is a crafter, a scrapbooker, you do planners, you do traveler's notebooks, you do junk journals, you make afghans, you create purses, it doesn't matter. Go see what Ramona is hosting on her channel. And even if you just don't even want to do a pocket letter, see what she created and it may spark an idea for you. So again, happy birthday, and thanks for coming back to RTS. Enjoy the sunshine, and you never know what we're going to learn. Take care. Bye.